Today we'll show you how to use our manual tray sealer step by step to ensure your meals are sealed efficiently and securely. Let's begin with setting up your tray sealer. Place the sealer on a flat, stable surface. Make sure it's near a power source. Load the film onto the film holder. Ensure the film is placed correctly with the sealing side facing down. Pull the film across the sealing plate, ensuring it's smooth, wrinkle-free, and centered. To turn on the machine, press the power button. To set the temperature, press the toggle button. The green SP light illuminates and the display shows the target temperature. Press the arrow button to increase the temperature. We recommend setting it to between 160 to 180 degrees, depending on your tray. It should be 175 to 185 for our lined sugarcane trays. Press the toggle to confirm. The SP light goes out and the yellow out light comes on. The pressure plate is now heating up. Wait for about 4 to 5 minutes until the green bar illuminates. And the yellow out light extinguishes. We are good to go. On the basis of the same sealing performance, higher temperature needs short sealing time, lower temperature needs long sealing time. Place your filled ready meal tray into the slot, ensuring it's properly aligned for an even seal. Pull the film over the tray, close the lid all the way, using a bit of force, and wait for a loud click. Wait for 3 to 5 seconds to pass in order for sealing to be finished. Open the lid and remove the sealed tray. If you encounter any issues, for a deformed tray, decrease the target temperature or reduce the sealing time. If the tray is leaking, increase the target temperature or extend the sealing time. For incomplete sealing, apply more pressure to the lid handle. This tray sealer is not only used for our lined sugarcane trays, but can also be used for our CPET trays, as long as it's 187 long by 137 wide. And that's it. Your ready meal trays are now perfectly sealed and ready for storage or transport. If you have any questions, feel free to contact our customer support team. Thank you for choosing Pac Food.